my name is Alex Beal, and I'm a junior at Okemos High School. A fun fact about me is that I love sweets, and that's why today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these candy wrapper hearts. Hi, so you're going to start with any sort of like rectangular or square candy wrapper. Then you're going to fold in two of the corners and make sure that they meet in the middle. Then you're going to try and flatten that out. And then at the top, in the very middle, you're going to rip a small little line, just a little small line, and fold those edges in. And then once you do that, you're already kind of starting to get a heart form, as you can see. And then the last step you do is you fold in the top corner edges and kind of make sure they're, nice and neat and pressed down. And you do that to both sides. And after that, you are basically done. And you have yourself a little candy wrapper heart. It's really cute, really pretty. You can give it to your friends. Okay, that's all. I hope you had fun making them. Remember, there are so many great books in your school's library. Keep reading and learning. Thank you for watching.